and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna talk about a new topic for you, definitely a new bala for everyone. That is the monkeypox virus, whether it is too dangerous for us or not. Will be the next quarantine phase or it is more dangerous than COVID-19. So for all these types of queries, please watch this video till the end. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel and to my videos. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. After COVID-19, we all are very curious and suspicious to know what come again and what come next. And the recent development is the monkeypox virus. So first of all, we need to know that what is monkeypox virus. See, it is the viral zoonotic disease with the symptoms which is clinically, it is very less in symptoms, although it is just similar to the smallpox. We see the history. It was first discovered in the year 1958 in the colonies of the monkeys which are kept for the research work, right? And there we find out the monkeypox virus or the monkeypox. First human case was found in Africa in 1970. That means it is already a very old disease which come again into the mainstream. But now the concern is that there are the cases in India definitely, and we found that in Africa. So now if this disease spread out of the Africa, then it is a very serious thing for rest of the world to get worried about it. As you can see on the screen, the viruses involved is the monkeypox virus or the monkeypox X virus. It is the species of the double-stranded DNA. It belongs to the family of the orthopox virus, which is the family of the poxviridae. Monkeypox virus is one of the human orthopox virus along with the Varroa, cowpox and vaccinia viruses. Yes, it is true that it is definitely belong to the family of smallpox, or it is quite similar to smallpox. We all know that smallpox is quite eradicated since a long decade or a long time, and now it's come back suddenly. We see about the cases in India. So there are 4 cases of monkeypox in India which has been reported till now, 3 from Kerala and 1 from Delhi, that is the 34-year-old man. Now the question arises that what is the impact of this monkeypox virus? The monkeypox virus is a natural reservoir which is yet unknown to us. Even though there are certain rodents like tree squirrels or the root squirrels, some non-human primates which are known to be naturally susceptible to the monkeypox virus. If we talk about the incubation period is nearly from 6 to 13 days mainly, but you can extend up to from 5 to 21 days. So nearly the incubation period is bit long, that is the incubation period of 21 days maximum. If we talk about the period of infectivity, then 1 or 2 days before the rash erupt until the scab will get off. Till that date, it is the period of infectivity. Another topic comes, that is the mode of transmission of this monkeypox virus. See, the first mode of transmission is the large respiratory droplets. Definitely, it is found to be similar with the COVID-19, so same cases here also. Direct contact with the body fluid, this is the second mode of transmission. Third one is the indirect contact with the lesional material. Cause is the animal to human transmission. One is the scratch or the bite from the infected animal. The most important part is the suspected case of a monkeypox. How you will find that this is the most prominent suspected case of monkeypox. See, as you can see the picture on your screen, this is the ideal picture of the monkeypox, that there is the rash present on the superficial surface of the skin. There is the history of the travel. One day there is the history of the travel nearly to Europe or some foreign travel is there. For unexplained rash, eruption is there, followed by the fever, lymphadenopathy, weakness, headache, body ache, all these things are also present. So that can lead to the suspected case of a monkeypox. will find a particular case as a confirmed monkeypox case. See, you have to do the PCR for the orthopox virus. Once it get confirmed, then you have to do the second step, that the specimen collection, and if that show the positivity towards the orthopox virus and the rest of the virus, right, which is confirming a PCR test followed by the PCR test for monkeypox virus, then you have to go for the generation sequencing for the other further confirmation regarding the monkeypox virus. Differential diagnosis could be the chickenpox or the herpes zoster or the herpes simplex virus or the hand, foot, mouth disease or some infectious mononucleosis and lots more, right? As you can see on your screen. Most important part is how you will do the management of this case. See, there are certain principles which you need to follow. Definitely the first one is the patient isolation, minimum of 21 days. Followed by the protection of the compromised skin and mucous membrane. Like you can do the, you can cover the whole body which has the rash and which is infected. The skin which is infected, you need to cover it so as you can not have the direct contact with the healthy person. Is the rehydration therapy and the nutritional therapy is very, very important, similar as that we do in COVID. One is we have to just monitor and do the treatment of the complications if there is any. If sign and symptom develops, then please you have to collect the sample like blood sample, urine sample, and even you have to collect the rash, because there are two phases. One is the rash phase and second one is the recovery phase. In case of the rash phase, you have to collect the sample from the rash base or its fluid or even from the roof of the rash, and followed by the urine sample and the blood sample. In case of the recovery phase, only you require the urine sample and the blood sample, but not the specimen of a rash, right? For the fever, again, you have to give only the paracetamol, because somewhere somehow I have said one thing, that it is similar to a flu also. That's why. Followed by you need to take some protections like wearing a PPE kit, wear your mask just like we used to in COVID-19. I think this is the new normal living nowadays, that we have to wear the mask for our protection also. Fine. So the sanitization or the hand hygiene is very, very important. That is the second protection. And third one is the biomechanical waste management. That is very, very important. As a protection protocol, you can take care of all these things. So that's all about the monkeypox. Regarding the monkeypox and the difference between the COVID-19, there is one YouTube short out already on my channel. If you didn't check out that YouTube short, do check it out, because it will help you definitely. It is not so dangerous and it will not affect any profession till now. But still the things are under control and need to be controlled for our future also. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for watching.